Hey guys, I'm showing you this Ontel battery daddy. So this is a battery organizer storage case with tester. It stores and protects up to 180 batteries and it's a clear locking lid, and I will just show you the demo. So this is a very handy tool, like if you want to store all different type of batteries. It can have a battery D, C, AA, AAA, 9 watt and the button cells. So this is the look for the transparent and the clear top. This is a both side open thing. So as I mentioned, you can fix all different type of batteries, D, C, AAA. This is the battery tester. So just put in the battery in between the battery tester. It will show it's good or not good. And I'm just putting some AA batteries. You can put in both sides, like you can put in here like this, or you can put in the back. I will show you. So all these different type of batteries can be fit here or in this, like in the back. And with it, this is the lock design, so it's pretty much nice and handy as a case for all the batteries. So you can fit in this AAA batteries here, and the AA batteries can go in the back here. All those